Okay, so we are going to iron the hems of our curtains for later. We're just going to fold them over and then iron them so they're going to be really straight and really easy to sew. This is going to be our ironing board. We had to get an iron to iron on the edges of the kitchen cabinets, so we might as well use it. What is this bit for? I'm just going to do a very little fold and iron it, and I'm just going to try and make it so it's the same all the way along. There we go. We've got the ironed fold like that, and then it's going to be really easy to sew. Fold up like a little triangle. Fold 1 and 2 to make a point. Fold once and twice to make a new corner. And then you fold both the edges over until they meet like that and form like a new corner essentially. And then it's got a neat little corner. I can't remember how to do the poppets. I'm going to do it by hand. I think it actually is going the right way, but... It's gone
But a lot nicer than Fiji.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. It's not very commercialized, but you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Let's put up the curtains. Right, so we need a string that goes from here to here. I'm gonna cut it right there. Hey, where do you? Fuck do these go in? Cute. Okay, I bought my sewing stuff and some lemongrass tea, and I also had some leftover, a little pack of pea blossom. Whoa! Length, I could have done it small. We've only got black thread, but whatever. I'm going to do a piece as long as your arm so it doesn't get tangled. I remember that from my school textile classes. To make a knot in the same place, you keep everything in the same place apart from this. So you just keep going around the same finger, pulling it under, around, pull it off your finger, under, pull it through. One more, like that. And then that will make a knot in the same place every time. Look it, and nice sharp scissors so it's got a fine cut so you can get it through. There we go. So we don't see much on here, you go in just before you came out and then long underneath. And then all you're going to see on this side is that tiny bit, so you're not going to see much. So just before, if you can see that, and then long underneath. And then what you're also doing is overlapping it so it makes it tight, stronger as well. And you're getting there quicker without having to do loads of stitches that you will also see on the front. All right, and then to finish it off, we're just going to come through because we don't want to do it where it's visible. And then here where it's not visible, I'm just going to do 1 and 2, and if I can do 1 more, and then that will just stop that coming out. So yeah, on the back it looks, you know, messy with all the lines, but then on the front, can't really see anything. Nice. But where I'm going to put the nail to hang them, I don't know.